Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete Triller account. So as you can see here, we're on the Triller app, but unfortunately there is no delete account button within the Triller app, but there still is a way to delete your account. What you're going to have to do for it though is go out of the Triller app and just go to your email. So as you can see here, I'm on my Gmail, but whatever your email address is, you're going to want to go on there, and then you're going to want to send an email, making sure you're sending this email with the account that you signed up and created your Triller account with. So as you can see here, I got my email, and then I got going to type in at the top there. This is the email you're going to be emailing to. It's going to be support@triller.co, as you can see at the top there. You want to be sending the email to that address. Then it's like the subject can just say, please delete my account. And you can see the message there that said, hi, please delete my account on this email address. Then I had my username there, and I said, and all the data associated with it. This is because I don't want to use the app anymore. So make it clear that you want your account deleted. Make sure you use your username, and also say the reason why you want to delete the app as well. Then all you got to do there, click send, and then once that email's sent there, they should get back to you within like the coming days. I don't know the exact amount of time, it just depends whenever they get back to you. But once that's done, the process is over, and then your account will eventually be deleted. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Triller app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.